Welcome. Welcome to Halloween. I'm all decked out, as you can see. It's just right around the corner. Yeah, I got my spider tie on and my spider ring. Whoa. Yeah, anyway, you're probably expecting, like a pumpkin spice type syrup today here on Simply Syrups, but I'm not gonna make that. We already did that, right? Anyway, I'm going to make a quick and easy cherry syrup. Well, cherries aren't in season, at least where I live. That's long gone. Anyway, you could use frozen cherries. You could use cherries in a jar, right? Ready to go. But I had a better idea. Tart cherry juice. There's nothing in it other than tart cherries. Yeah. So what we're going to do, we are going to, this is a liter, by the way, which equates to about 4 cups, right? So there's 2 cups. And we're going to pop that in our little pan here, a little pot. Next, I've got a cup of turbinado, raw turbinado sugar. In our pot it goes, 1 cup. Now, of course, you could use granulated white sugar. You could use honey. You could use whatever sweetener you like. I like turbinado sugar because of the molasses and that and the flavor of the cherries. It's all going to meld together wonderfully. Next is lemon juice. And I don't have a knife down here, damn it. Ah! Jesus! What are you doing, Aaron? Thank God it has a sheath on it, man. I got a knife right here. That was ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Okay, but it's Halloween. I'm looking for 1 ounce of fresh pressed lemon. And it's probably going to take this whole darn lemon. Sweet. Okay, clean up a mess. Halloween is messy. Okay, I'm just going to fine strain this. There's some seeds and pulp and things in there. Don't want that in my mix because, again, this is the easiest way to make cherry syrup ever. Okay, all we need is some fire. Yeah.
I am the god of hellfire!
Okay. Oh, spooky. We're going to turn this down to an easy temp. And we're just going to stir our mix, dissolve all that sugar. And what we're going to do is we are going to take our spoon, the back side of our spoon, and mark it. Mark the back side of our spoon here, right there. Can you see that? The reason I'm marking my spoon is because now I'm going to add the rest of our cherry juice, our tart cherry juice. I'm going to bring up the stove a hair. Keep stirring a bit. And the reason I marked this actually is because we're going to reduce this now to half. That will concentrate those flavors, baby. Oh yeah. Sugar's dissolved. Now it's the waiting game. In the meantime, watch this crazy Halloween thing.
Sure. Let's cut to something crazy and Halloween.
Yeah, why not? Okay, Spider Ring says, I think we're in. Let's check our... We're in. We have reduced to half. Okay, so what we want to do now is just shut off our heat and let this cool just slightly, okay? I guess we're in for a clock wipe. Or another Halloween prank?
Sure.
Okay, hey, yeah. Okay, now that our mixture has slightly cooled, we're going to add a couple other ingredients. Now, I've got 2 bar spoons here. This is always interesting, you know. This is a teaspoon, 5 mil, right? This is a half a teaspoon. They're both bar spoons, so yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this half teaspoon here, and I've got some orange blossom water. Orange blossom water. And we're just going to add a teaspoon, or in this case, I guess, a half a teaspoon of orange blossom water. We're going to follow that up with some almond extract. And we're going to go with a teaspoon, 5 mil. Yum! We want to add a pinch of sea salt. That's a good pinch. Yeah, it is. And give it a little stir. And now what we've got to do is we've got to let it cool to room temperature. So in the meantime, watch this crazy Halloween, I don't know, flick?
Clip, Bruce. It's a clip.
Oh, it's not a flick?
Throw to a clip.
A clip. Go to a clip. So I just bottled some of it. You get a little bit more than this this amount. But what we're going to do here is we're going to fortify it with a little vodka. This is extreme vodka. Wah, wah, wah. It's 45%. No big deal. We're going to add about a half an ounce-ish. There we go. Perfect. And give it a little shake. And I guess try it, right? Well, shake her up. Hey! Okay, let's try it. Whoa, Cherry City. Is that right next to Spatula City, Aaron?
Oh God, with the spatulas again. It's always with the spatulas.
This is delicious. And by adding the vodka, you'll probably get, I don't know, 2 to 3 weeks, maybe even a month out of the refrigerator. So, yeah, make some. It's delicious. You know, we're going to use this fabulous, easy to make cherry syrup for a fabulous cocktail using it in our upcoming Halloween special. It's to die for. Ha! You're all gonna die! Yeah, you know, this is an awesome syrup. But you know, it's Halloween. And I think we need some Halloween music. Get into the spirit, right? Let's check what's going on here. Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Wait a minute.
We interrupt this program.
What's that?
This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Civil emergency. National nuclear threat for your area until further notice. This is not a test. This is not a test.
Important instructions will follow.